It's personal between Kris Dunn and Luka Dončić. 3 years ago, there was an altercation between the two. And when asked about what happened, Luka said, "I didn't do nothing. He's just mad I'm busting his ass." And then refused to shake Kris's hand.
Had nothing to do with that. I didn't do nothing. He's just mad I'm busting his ass.
Then 3 months ago, Kris Dunn told Luka, "Stop flopping." Fast forward to today's matchup, Luka Dončić showed he owns this matchup. Look at him laughing right in his face. And on every possession, he reminded him, "You can't guard me."
Weaving through that Ayton screen, finds some space, and the three is there. Luka Dončić with 8 triples.
And he is barking at Kris Dunn.
Now doubled, keeps the dribble, and puts up the shot. It's good, plus a foul as he can, and puts up the shot. It's good, plus continues to bark at Kris Dunn. He'll go to the line.
1.2 is second best in the NBA. And now Luka weaves to the defense and has himself a 40-point triple-double.